Concept of work. What is work? If you push or pull something, that is not work. Work is the transfer of energy that happens when the force make an object move. So remember, force is a push or pull of an object. And here the key is for work to be done, the object has to be moved. So work is the product of force and the amount of displacement in the direction of that force. It is the mean by which energy is transferred from one object or system to the another. In biomechanics, the term work has much more committing meaning. Whenever a force acts on a body, the work done by the force equal to the product of its magnitude and the distance the body moves in the direction of force while the force is being applied on it. Or work is defined as the product of the force and the amount of displacement in which it acts, means by which the energy is transferred from one object or system to the another. Mathematically, it is expressed in W is equal to F into D. Here, W is work done, F is the magnitude of force, and D is appropriate distance. To determine the amount of work done on an object, we need to know three things. Number one, the average force exerted on the object. Number two, the direction of this force. Number three, the displacement of the object along the line of action of force during the time the force act on the object. So now let's look an example. A discus thrower exert an average force of 1000 newtons against the discus while the discus move through a displacement of zero point 0.6 meter in the direction of force. The same we can see in figure. So how much work did discus thrower do to the discus? So the work is force multiplied by distance, that is 1000 newtons multiplied by zero point 0.6 meters. So the work done here is 600 nm or 600 joules. There is different type of work: positive work and negative work. Positive work: if the body moves in the direction of force, application is called positive work. Weightlifter in bench press exert constant upward force of, if suppose, 1800 newtons and make the barbell to a distance of zero point 0.5 meter upward direction. He does the work, that is 1800 newtons multiplied by zero point 0.5 m meters. So we will get 900 nm is the work done to be positive. The second one, negative work. If the force act in opposite direction in which the body moves, called negative force. For example, the weightlifter work done by upward force is positive and work done by gravity if the weight of the barbell is 1400 newton is negative. So 400 newtons multiplied by zero point 0.5 meters, that is we get 700 nm in negative. So the lifter applied force to upward direction and make the bar to move zero point 0.5 meters. The total work done here is 900 minus 700, that is 200 nm or 200 joules.